There are a couple features of the JobNimbus and SumoQuote integration that are helpful to know. Let's go ahead and open up a project. You'll see that I'm linked to JobNimbus here, and you'll see that my report has been signed. If your signed quote does not automatically push back to JobNimbus, you can always come here, click on the 3 horizontal dots, and click on Save to JobNimbus. This will push your report to your document, and you'll have a copy of it in your CRM. It's also helpful to keep track of when you're calling back and setting reminders for customers, and that's directly integrated with JobNimbus. If we go to Project Settings in the top right corner, and on our project details page here, we can scroll down to Next Callback. We can set a follow-up reminder with this customer that shows up to the dashboard. When we scroll down on the dashboard, we see a list of our callbacks, and Wooten Bassett is listed here. This directly integrates with the notification feature in JobNimbus, so you will get emails from JobNimbus reminding you that a callback has been set for this customer. And from the dashboard, you can easily navigate back to your customer by clicking on the side arrow. And that is how to set a callback reminder integrated with JobNimbus and how to push a signed quote to JobNimbus if it didn't automatically complete that action.